Hi there and welcome to the CFP Weight Loss Protocol. I'm Russell Clark, FNP-C, founder of CFP Weight Loss and CFP Fit Now. I'm thrilled you're here, taking this step toward a healthier you. Over the next 30 weeks, with our unique Tirzepatide Cycling and Root Cause Habits from my book, The 30-Week Tirzepatide Reset, you can lose 30 to 90 pounds and keep it off. Picture yourself full of energy, looking great, and feeling amazing. That's what we're building together. Let's dive in. This video will get you set up for success. First things first, the client guide I created for you is your Bible on this journey. Please read it at least 3 to 5 times. Yes, it might feel like a lot, but you're stepping into new territory and understanding every detail will set you up to thrive. Grab a highlighter and mark the phases, drop schedule, approved foods, and tips that resonate with you. This guide, paired with the 221 Keto-Friendly Recipes in the book, is your one-box protocol to reset your metabolism. It's based on real results from our clinic. 90% of clients lose 30 to 90 pounds. Take your time. Knowledge is power here. Now, let's get personal. Why are you doing this? What's your deep purpose for losing weight? This journey involves habit changes, and it might feel uncomfortable at first, but connecting with your why will carry you through. I encourage you to write down 5 unique reasons. Maybe it's feeling more energy for your family, fitting into favorite clothes, or just looking good, feeling good, and being healthy, like we emphasize in the book. Put them on Post-it notes on your bathroom mirror. Read them every morning to remind yourself of your strength. Everyone with a clear purpose goes farther. Trust me, this will boost your chances of success. You're not alone in this. My wife Anne Marie and I, along with our team, are your support system, available as much as you need during the program and beyond. That's what sets CFP apart. Shoot a message through the HIPAA-compliant BodySite app for any question or schedule a support call. We lost over 250 pounds combined using this protocol, so we get it. Join our Facebook community at facebook.com/groups/CFP Weight Loss Nashville to connect with others. It's up to you to reach out. We're here to listen to your body's response and adjust. If it's working, we'll rinse and repeat. If not, we'll tweak it together. Before we start, grab a few essentials. First, a digital scale for your body. Weigh every morning after the bathroom, before showering, in the same spot for accuracy. 0.1 pound precision helps track progress. You'll also need a digital food scale. Starting in phase 2, weigh your proteins and veggies after cooking, but no calorie counting after the loading days. For women, hit 4,000 calories on loading days. Men, 5,000. Use apps or charts to plan. Next, take before photos in comfortable, form-fitting clothes against a plain wall. Front, side, back, head to toe. Have a trusted friend help. These are for you only and will shock you with your transformation later. Finally, log measurements in the BodySite app. Chest, waist, hips, thighs. It's optional, but seeing inches drop proves your success beyond the scale. Drops are key to suppressing appetite and boosting fat burn. Don't miss them or your metabolism slows. For blue and pink drops, squeeze the dropper until just below the ml mark, about halfway between 0.5 and 0.25. That's exactly 7 drops. Hold under your tongue for up to 2 minutes, then swallow. Avoid eating or drinking 15 minutes before or after. Take no later than 30 minutes after waking. Follow the color-coded schedule in your guide. Phase 1 starts blue every 7 hours. Phase 2 adds brown, pink, gray, orange, purple. Phase 3 shifts to green. If you forget, take as soon as possible. This precision ensures you don't run out midway. Pause all other supplements, vitamins, or collagen during the program. They can interfere with your reset. If you're on anti-anxiety or depression meds, note they may make loss slower, but you'll still succeed. Work with your coach for strategies. For high blood pressure or diabetes meds, Monitor daily and consult your doctor. Many reduce or stop them as you progress. Upload accurate info to CFP Fit Now for tirzepatide if qualifying. We're adapting to your body. Start strong and we'll adjust if needed. Quick, friendly tip. Keep things oil-free, even on your skin. It's your largest organ and absorbs fats like avocado or coconut oil, which might slow fat burn. Use bar soap like Dial or Ivory, not gel washes. For dry skin, try mineral oil. It's not a fat. Download the Think Dirty app to check products. This isn't the main focus, but it supports your progress. Do your best. Iodine. The brown detox drops are game changers. They bind heavy metals and toxins at the cellular level, boosting energy and clarity as detailed in Chapter 10 of the book. Take them 15 minutes apart from blue pink. You might feel detox symptoms like headaches or fatigue, totally normal and temporary. Drink 128-ounce water, add a half teaspoon Himalayan salt, or sip pickle juice. Up your gray electrolytes if needed. You get 30 days supply. Buy more for ongoing use with orange B12 and purple D3. If you get backed up, common on clean eating, don't let it linger. It hinders fat loss. Take 400 milligrams magnesium citrate or Smooth Move tea after dinner. More water helps too. Address it right away for smooth progress. If you're not losing after 2 days, reach out, never wait. It's your job to flag issues. We'll evaluate your food, suggest a plateau breaker like steak lunch supper with 2 Granny Smith apples, or check lectins from Appendix H. Remember, if it's working, do more. If not, less. With 26 years and thousands succeeding, we'll customize for you. This is Hormonal Reset. No starving, no skipping meals. Keep movement low stress to reset hormones. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes daily, walking or forest bathing for solitude and mindset, as in Chapter 17. You should be able to talk or sing the whole time. It's lymphatic massage, not sweat sessions. Yoga or Pilates are great. Skip intense cardio or HIIT. More isn't better. It can block fat loss. Build a lifelong habit. For extra boost, our Tirzepatide Cycling starts day 4, Monday, 2.5 milligrams injected weekly for 4 weeks. Then 5 milligrams for 2 weeks, pause 4 weeks, repeat per cycle. Chapter 11. Get evaluated at cfpfitnow.com ASAP. Upload medical info for qualification. Optional in cycle 3. Consult your doctor. It's about maximizing your results safely. We've covered the essentials. Now it's your turn to shine. This isn't a diet, it's reprogramming for life. Focus on looking good, feeling good, being healthy. When you say yes to all 3, you're at your perfect weight. The scale measures gravity, not your worth. Use the guide, book, and our support to find what works for you. You've got this. I'm proud of you already. Reach out anytime at 615-988-1109 or the app. Let's transform together.